A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. How you do? On June 1, we are go back to the Jamaican New Testament. But until then, we just go and read 2 Saamz. And remember, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, me go read Psalms 100. I want Psalms to give thanks. Shout and praise the Lord, everybody. Make your glad bag bust when you dey worship him. Come in a house where him there and just sing. No say the Lord him a God. Him make we somebody cause we are nobody. We are film sheep we him a take care of. Come through the gate of him house and give thanks. Go in him yard and praise him. Give him thanks and bless up his name. Cause the Lord good so till. Him special love him people can't done. And he stay the same to everybody. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.